Oreo. It's a Swedish word. Here she goes. She is in there somewhere. I'm off this white trash. Oh, she's going fast. Look at it go. Shit. Thank God for that. Now, I'm holding a camera at the same time and basically catching up to her. We will catch her because I'm on skis. She's slow. Now, there she is. Can you see her? I can see her. I don't know if she's coming up in this video, but she is there. She's doing well. You're doing well there. You're friggin' flying. You're grouse. You're going good. She's there. Yeah. Hard. I've got to try and ski at the same time. This is what we call the one-man film crew. You see up at the A-bomb there. There's the lift going, so you know it's we are actually travelling. Here we go. Now I normally straight ski this shit, and I normally turn, and I'm not big on turns, but she's going okay now. This is me, one man. Fuck! I can walk faster than this. Go! Whee! Now there she goes. Just swap. Here we go. Look at that. No, she's got along. What's she doing to me? There we go. Oh, she's going to go off the edge. I'll take her from the edge. Watch. Here she goes. Off she goes. I'm going to follow. This is me up the fucking high ground. She's flying. And I'm up the rear end. I'll skate down direction. Get a final one. There she goes. And now she's off to the next one. I'll have to catch her again. There she goes. That is Jacky Hoser. Father here, one man film crew. Okay. What we lost this is over here somewhere. Get around the snow. What is one? Everywhere. There she goes. She probably crashed in a minute. This is where she went down last time. Keep going. Look at that. She's flying. Oh shit. Just wiped out the snowboard. Oh god.